If you build presentations regularly, you know the friction of the standard AI workflow. You type a prompt into a browser, wait for a text response, and spend the next hour copying and pasting paragraphs into dozens of PowerPoint text boxes. Anthropic has finally bypassed that friction by integrating the Claude model directly inside the PowerPoint application as a native add-in. In this workflow, we are going to take a raw web page and turn it into a fully editable, branded 5-slide pitch deck using exactly 2 prompts. To execute this, you need a paid Claude account, an active Microsoft 365 subscription, and an existing corporate slide template. By putting the reasoning engine directly inside the canvas, you collapse research, drafting, and slide formatting into a single action. Step 1 is getting the integration running. Open the PowerPoint add-in menu, search for Claude by Anthropic, and install the official package. Open the new Claude panel on the right side of your screen and sign in to authenticate your account. If you type a prompt into a completely blank presentation, Claude will generate generic, unbranded slides with default fonts. We call this the blank canvas trap. To ensure your output is professional, you must open your company's custom-branded PowerPoint template before you ever initiate a conversation with the AI. Claude actively reads the active slide master. It inherits your specific font constraints, your color palettes, and your structural layouts. AI reasoning models perform best when constrained. Loading your template forces the engine to comply with your corporate identity, preventing it from making arbitrary design choices. With the template loaded, we need to provide the source material. You can paste a target URL straight into the chat panel or reference data from an open Excel document. This interface illustrates a critical rule: provide explicit data. Don't let BI guess numbers. Claude is a reasoning engine, not a database. If you ask the model to generate a slide about quarterly revenue without giving it the actual revenue figures, it will hallucinate plausible but completely fictitious numbers to fill the space. The quality of your presentation is proportional to the quality of the data payload you provide. The AI's job is to structure your facts, not to invent them. This mockup shows how to construct the master prompt. Break your request into 3 specific blocks. Assign a role, set an exact slide count, and designate the layout style. Before hitting send, add one final command. Tell Claude to generate comprehensive speaker notes for every requested slide. As the model processes the prompt, slides populate your canvas in real time, automatically adopting the brand colors and typography from your loaded template. In the Speaker Notes pane, Claude uses the raw URL data to build a substantive script that goes deeper than the bullet points on the slide. The AI acts as a structural co-author here, simultaneously managing the narrative flow and the physical layout of the presentation. Claude is a structural content tool, not a human graphic designer. Your first draft will likely have some clunky text boxes or overly dense bullet points. Here is where native integration proves its value. The cursor interacts with a generated bar chart. Change a number in the datasheet and the bar instantly resizes. Because these are native PowerPoint objects, you can step in and apply your human polish. You retain total creative control. You can align elements, adjust chart colors, and refine text weights using the standard PowerPoint tools you already know. You instantly defeat the blank page, securing a logically sound, structurally complete draft that you can quickly mold into the final product. Hit presentation mode and review the finalized FlySlide executive deck. We started with a raw URL. We finished with a structured presentation, completely aligned to corporate branding, backed by a full presenter script. This is a repeatable system for your most tedious daily tasks. You can run this exact process for your next weekly status update or pitch. Stop starting from scratch. Load your templates, feed the reasoning engine accurate data, and let the AI handle the structural heavy lifting so you can focus entirely on your storytelling.